Next up, in the new tastes of the season 3 catalog is gluten-free pumpkin spice loaf and muffin mix. So I'm going to make this into a loaf, and I'm going to use my rectangular steamer, which is a little damp because I had to wash it. And you have two options. You can cook it in the microwave or you can cook it in the oven. Today I'm going to bake it in the oven. I'm going to do something else in the microwave at another time, so I'll save that for you for later. So we need to whisk 2 eggs with 1 cup of pumpkin puree. It says to whisk eggs with something. I always like to whisk them ahead of time. I just find it gives you a smoother consistency, and then you're less likely to get like clumps of egg whites and things. I'm just making a giant mess with my pumpkin puree on my counter. Here's 1 cup. And we need half a cup of oil. This is actually a 1/4 cup measure. I've been doing some cooking already today, so my half cup is in the dishwasher, which I just had to turn off because it got very loud all of a sudden. So I'm gonna give this a good mix before I add in my package. Make sure it's nice and smooth. Oh, that smells good. See how quick and easy this comes together. So previously, we've been a big maker of cake mixes in this family, birthdays and things. Because they are quick and easy. But I know that they're loaded with additives and colorants and preservatives and all that. So I'm thinking, well, I just got to make things from scratch, but this is a good alternative. Okay, and then we're just going to put it in my steamer. But first, I'm going to lightly oil my steamer, and to do that, you can either use a pastry brush, or I just like to put some on some paper towel and rub it all over. And I just sort of take the paper towel, fold it up, get the oil on it. There we go. Now I'm going to put my mixture in there, and it's going to go into a 350-degree oven. And I think it's about 20 minutes it takes. If you're putting it in the microwave, you can use this steamer in the microwave. And it takes 8 minutes in the microwave. Okay. Let's check and see how long it's got to cook for in the oven. oh, I was wrong, not 20 minutes, 50 to 55 minutes. But 8 minutes in the microwave. So if you're in a rush and you really want cake fast, use the microwave. That's what our silicone steamers are designed for. But they do go into the oven up to 425 degrees Celsius. Or, sorry, Fahrenheit. Fahrenheit. Don't get that confused. Okay. So I'm just waiting for my oven to come to temperature. I will bake it and then I'll come back and show you when it's done. All right, it's out of the oven. I put it in there for 50 minutes. Now I have a convection oven and I see it is a little bit dark on the top, so I probably could have done it for 45 minutes and it would have been just fine. It says to cool in pan for 15 minutes and then flip it out, so that's what I'm gonna do. I didn't read down further, but you can also make this into muffins, which it does say on the front. It smells divine. So once it is cooled, I'm gonna make some icing with our caramel sauce. So stay tuned for that. All right, it's been about 15 minutes, so let's flip this out. Look how easily that came out. And I'm just gonna let it cool completely before we make the icing. But I will be back to show you that.